Cats are notorious for their curious behavior, and one of the most intriguing is their tendency to suddenly pounce on or swat at shadows or seemingly invisible objects. It can be both amusing and perplexing to watch a cat chase after something that appears to be completely absent, and many pet owners are left wondering if their feline companions are perceiving things that humans cannot. While it might seem like your cat is simply being playful or overly energetic, there's actually more to this behavior than meets the eye, and it's rooted in a combination of instinct, sensory perception, and natural predatory drive. The first and perhaps most important aspect to understand is that cats are natural hunters. Even though domestic cats may no longer need to hunt for their food, they still retain the instincts that made them excellent predators. These instincts drive much of their behavior, including stalking, pouncing, and chasing. In the wild, cats rely on their keen senses to detect movement and locate potential prey. They are constantly scanning their environment for signs of activity, and their ability to detect even the slightest movement gives them an advantage when hunting. This ability is due in part to their superior vision, particularly in low light, and their acute sense of hearing, which allows them to detect sounds that are imperceptible to humans. When a cat seems to attack a shadow or an invisible object, what they're likely reacting to is something that has caught their attention, even if it's not immediately obvious to us. Shadows, in particular, are often the result of light sources and moving objects, even if we can't discern them. A flicker of light, the movement of a curtain, or a change in the way light falls in a room can create shadows or visual patterns that cats can easily spot, even if the human eye doesn't notice them. Their heightened sense of vision, especially in dim environments, enables them to detect subtle shifts in light and movement that would go unnoticed by most humans. Furthermore, cats have an extraordinary ability to detect minute movements due to their fast reflexes and sharp focus. Their eyes are designed to detect rapid changes in their environment, which is a crucial trait for hunting small animals like mice and birds. These animals tend to make quick, subtle movements, and a cat's vision is highly attuned to these motions. So, when a cat is swatting at an apparent shadow or invisible thing, it could very well be responding to the faintest flicker or change in light or air that we cannot perceive. There is also the possibility that the cat is reacting to a sound that is undetectable to humans. Cats have a highly developed sense of hearing, capable of picking up frequencies that range from 48 Hz to 85 kHz, far beyond the human hearing range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. This means that cats can hear sounds at much higher pitches, including those made by small animals like rodents or even tiny insects. It's not uncommon for a cat to hear a noise, like the movement of a mouse or a fly, that is so faint it is beyond human perception. The cat might then react to this sound by pouncing at a shadow or a spot where it believes the sound originated, even though there's nothing visible to us. Another explanation for this behavior could be linked to the cat's play instinct. Even though domestic cats don't need to hunt for food, they still engage in play that mimics the actions they would take in the wild. This play behavior often involves pouncing on objects, chasing moving targets, and swatting at things that appear to be prey. When a cat attacks shadows or invisible objects, it could simply be engaging in a game that taps into its deep-rooted hunting instincts. The shadow, or the motion it's reacting to, may be perceived as a target, and the cat's predatory instincts drive it to act as though it were stalking or hunting prey. This behavior is often most noticeable in kittens and young cats, who are still learning how to develop their hunting skills. Kittens typically engage in extensive play to hone their reflexes and coordination, and attacking shadows can be an extension of this developmental process. For these younger cats, the concept of prey is not limited to small animals but can include any movement or object that excites their curiosity and sparks their predatory drive. As they grow older and become more experienced hunters, cats might direct their attention more towards actual prey, but the impulse to chase and attack moving targets remains. In some cases, it could also be that cats are simply responding to the visual stimuli of moving shadows, without necessarily interpreting them as prey. Shadows that are cast by things like leaves outside the window, light reflections from glass, or even changes in the lighting within a room can cause cats to react. These types of light patterns can trigger a cat's natural hunting response, especially when the shadow moves erratically or quickly, mimicking the movements of prey. The cat's brain processes these visual cues in the same way it would process the movement of a potential target, prompting the cat to instinctively attack. It's also possible that your cat is exhibiting a form of phantom hunting, where it engages in the behavior of hunting without an actual target. This can happen if a cat is bored, overstimulated, or simply in need of some form of entertainment. In these cases, the cat may begin to chase shadows or seemingly invisible objects as a way of satisfying its need to hunt and explore its environment. Even if there is no real prey to be found, the act of stalking, pouncing, and swatting allows the cat to release pent-up energy and engage in a form of play that mimics hunting behavior. In some instances, especially with older cats, the behavior of attacking shadows or invisible things could be linked to cognitive issues or sensory decline. As cats age, they may experience changes in their vision or hearing, which can alter the way they perceive the world around them. Conditions such as feline cognitive dysfunction, similar to dementia in humans, can lead to confusion, disorientation, and unusual behaviors. In these cases, the cat might be swatting at shadows or invisible objects because it is responding to something it perceives, even if it's not actually there. If this behavior is accompanied by other signs of cognitive decline, such as disorientation, lethargy, or changes in eating and grooming habits, it's important to consult a veterinarian for guidance. Another possibility is that the cat's attack on shadows or invisible things is linked to visual or neurological stimulation. For instance, a sudden shift in the environment, like a person moving or a light being turned on, could trigger a cat's hunting instincts. This can be more pronounced in cats who are highly sensitive to changes in their environment or in those who are hyperactive or prone to overstimulation. The cat might be reacting to the visual or sensory information it's receiving, even if that information is not linked to an actual object. In general, most of the time, a cat's fascination with shadows or invisible things is simply part of its playful and predatory nature. Cats are driven by instinct, and their heightened senses allow them to detect and respond to stimuli in their environment that we may not even be aware of. Whether it's the flicker of a shadow, a faint sound, or a change in light, these subtle environmental cues can spark a cat's instinct to hunt, causing them to swat at or pounce on things that appear invisible to us. As a cat owner, witnessing your cat chase after shadows can be a fun and sometimes amusing experience, but it's important to remember that it's rooted in their natural instincts. Providing plenty of opportunities for play and mental stimulation can help redirect this energy and provide your cat with an outlet for its hunting instincts. Interactive toys, puzzle feeders, and regular play sessions can help satisfy your cat's predatory drive in a safe and controlled environment. Understanding the underlying reasons for this behavior allows cat owners to appreciate it as a natural part of their feline companion's personality, rather than something mysterious or strange. While cats may seem to be attacking invisible objects or shadows, they are simply reacting to stimuli that their keen senses allow them to detect. Whether it's a change in light, a sound they can hear but we cannot, or an instinctive play behavior, these actions are part of the cat's natural and highly tuned hunting instincts. By recognizing and understanding these behaviors, cat owners can better appreciate their cat's unique sensory world and provide them with the enrichment and stimulation they need to be happy and healthy.